In a world that's buzzing with opportunity, let's learn and grow with unity. Like a busy little bee, you and me, we'll explore and thrive, just wait and see. Be like a bee, so busy and bright, learning new things, taking flight. Working together, we'll reach new heights, with a heart full of curiosity and pure delight. In the garden of knowledge, we'll soar and swoop, gathering wisdom like nectar in a group, sharing ideas as we loop the loop. In the world of learning, there's no limit or scope. With diligence and a thirst for the truth, we'll find the best flowers in our youth. Working together, it's not aloof, building a future where knowledge is the proof. So let's be like a bee full of grace, learning, working at our own